Did you see me, Judy? Oh, yeah, yes. Oh, no, you didn't. Right till then. Holy. I got that worked out as good as it did. He snuck up on this otter a couple times and hasn't really noticed, but now it's got something in its mouth. Might not be as friendly. There you are. Okay, I'm going to try and get a little angle on that. Oh, I had a good view of him, but he took the fish and ran. That's a mad otter sound. That's 4. Okay, push but luck. See ya.